My name is Delene Grant, Ontario Superior Court of Justice, motion record and order. We're now at 2022, the Canadian justice system, all right? May 2022, so a year later. Criminal activity number 25, they're all scattered all over the presentation. As I did make mention, I had them like in order. It was too long, so now I have separated. So sorry, I just leave it as is. Okay, but just to show you that there are so many criminal acts, and this is Criminal Act number 25. Motion filed against me at the Ontario Superior Court of Justice by the following entities. Okay, Bell Mobility Inc., MANULIFE Insurance Inc. and Industrial Alliance and Financial Services Inc. and Bell Mobility Inc. Then another one, Industrial Alliance and Financial Services Inc. You notice these two in combined, and then this is separate, eh? And HICKS MORLEY Law Firm, Bell Mobility's lawyer. All right. Ontario Superior Court of Justice motion. I am being sued by the following entities. What a joke. As you all can recognize that it was all a mess. Confusion, confusion, confusion. How could the Court of Justice put through this mess? Okay, I'm sure you agree with me that it was a mess. Okay, MANULIFE Insurance Company, Industrial Alliance, and Bell Mobility, right? They were combined. They used the false combined statement of claim, right? The court file number was 2786. This should not have been created. This was, as I said, falsely created. Okay, and I guess you would agree, okay, based off previous presentations, okay? Industrial Alliance Insurance. You've never seen it on its own. Never, never. You haven't seen it throughout until we got to the motion. All right? Was there a separate statement of claims specifically for this company? If so, what were the details? If combined, why separate now? Separate now, right? If you notice, the same court file number is 2786. I did not receive a statement of claim or saw a statement of claim at Industrial Alliance on its own. Okay? And throughout the motion, you notice how these two, right, were used interchangeably. Yeah. It's like, is it combined or is it just Industrial Alliance only? Or, as we go further, Bell Mobility. And here it is. Bell Mobility is there. It says, are these lawyers or court confused? They included Bell Mobility above, as you can see, with court file number 2786. Yeah. But went ahead again and used the statement of claim Bell Mobility created by SAMFIRU TUMARKIN law with court file number 0202. This statement of claim is legit. However, it should not have been there because NAIMARK law did nothing. NAIMARK law took my wrongful dismissal file, Bell Mobility from SAMFIRU TUMARKIN law, and sat on it for 2 years. Did nothing because it contained all the facts. So they deliberately held on to it and now put it through as a motion. You see the confusion? And HICKS MORLEY Law Firm supposed to pay. I must pay this firm for their criminal acts against me. I said, yeah, the criminal acts, since they were added, it was just my life just turned upside down since this lawyer came on board. You know, this included the suspicious movement of Hussein Muftadiri prior to my motor vehicle accidents. Yeah. Please feel free to review that presentation. I'm sure you would agree with me. All right, suspicious movements. Okay, when men can hide and do things in secret, the Almighty God sees everything. Okay. After the reception of the entities, I must pay legal fees of $20,000 or else. And I put in quotations. Immediate steps will be taken to enforce the order pursuant to R 60.02 bracket 1 rules of civil procedure. They are lawbreakers and they love to use the same rules of civil procedure, but they're using it on me, eh? They're the only ones to break the law. Okay. This is part of, I did include this in my presentation on denied by all entities, all right? However, this belongs to this part of the presentation. So I have here denied 21. Ontario Superior Court of Justice. 1. NAIMARK law submitted false statement of claim provided by NICOLINI law, MANULIFE Insurance and Industrial Alliance to the court. NAIMARK law took the wrongful dismissal claim, mobility from SAMFIRU TUMARKIN law, and did nothing for 2 years, then decided to dismiss my claim. NAIMARK law and NICOLINI law then submitted a combined statement of claim for MANULIFE Insurance, Industrial Alliance, and mobility to the court to further complicate my cases. There were no details provided in the statement of claim on the reasons why Industrial Alliance long-term disability was liable. The Ontario Superior Court of Justice ordered that I pay these lawyers who misrepresented my cases and these entities that discriminated against me a total of $20,000. NAIMARK law had never submitted statements of claim to the Ontario Superior Court of Justice for my 2 rear-ended motor vehicle accident claims. 2 years later, 2021, NAIMARK law dismissed my cases as if they did not occur. NICOLINI law firm deception, HICKS MORLEY law firm, Mobility's lawyer deception, and NAIMARK law deception had it all wrong. Statements of claim should have been for 3 entities as per below. I'm stressing on it, eh? I'm stressing on it. Important. Because I know I have common sense to know definitely that there are 3 different entities and I'm suing them for separate damages, okay? Mobility Inc., 1, wrongful dismissal, May 24, 2018. MANULIFE Insurance Company for short-term disability, I'm saying it again, May 2nd, 2018 to May 1st, 2018, and for damages. And I also include in October 27 to present. There's a reason, okay. Industrial Alliance Insurance long-term disability, May 2nd, 2018 to present, okay. Okay. As you can recall regarding item number 3 and 4 below, item number 4 was involved in the statement. I was involved. Let me here 3 and 4. 3 and 4, long-term disability and wrongful dismissal. It says here, item number 4, I was involved in a statement of claim for wrongful dismissal, right? That's number 4, I was. With SAMFIRU TUMARKIN law. Therefore, my termination date is correct. NAIMARK law had not done nothing to my claim since retrieved in September 2019 after I retained their firm on July 26, 2019. Item number 3, which is long-term disability, okay? If I was involved in the creation of a statement of claim long-term disability, I would have informed the lawyer. 1, I was suing MANULIFE Insurance for short-term disability, right? And everything's as I already pointed out before, and I was suing Industrial Alliance for long-term disability. Okay. It says here from Denise Coy, on February 18, 2021 at 3:21 p.m. Please see attached letter. And this attached letter, when I open it, this is what I get, the PDF. NAIMARK law. Okay. I was actually informed by the Ontario Superior Court to pay a total of amount of $20,000 to the following entities for false claims that were filed in the court of law on my behalf by the lawyers without my knowledge or involvement. Industrial Alliance Insurance and Financial Services Inc. and Mobility Inc. payment in the amount of $15,000 for cost of motion and for preparation of trial, right? Manufacturers Life Insurance Company payment in the amount of $500 for work on this motion and attendance at court. Hicks Morley Law, Bemobility's defense lawyer, to pay lawyer's fee in the amount of $4,500. Sorry about that. Be free to review. That's how we got that. We came to the $20,000. All right. Here it says again from Ontario Superior Court of Justice. The combined order here, combined again, the lien grant, and it says here, feel free to read. Okay, I guess this was the 15,500. All right, it says here 13,000, and it says here 500 and 2,000, as you can see here. Let me enlarge it. So 2,000, 13,000, and 500 give you 15,500. If this was a combined order, why wasn't Industrial Alliance Insurance or Bemobility mentioned? Why is only MANULIFE mentioned? Okay, and Hicks Morley Law. Why, if it was a combined order? Question, anyone can answer that? I thought this was a combined order. Industrial Alliance and Mobility Inc. are missing below, because you can see this says Manufacturer's Life, right? This is the same combined order, but only MANULIFE Insurance was mentioned on the last page. Was this motion certified? Okay. On May 2nd, 2022, received letter from Hicks Morley Law asking for payment of $15,000 or else. This letter was so misleading since there was no separate file for Industrial Alliance, which was the subject of their request. In the body of the letter, it stated, please provide a check in the sum of $15,000 representing costs awarded to Industrial Alliance and Bemobility for both the motion and action. Are these lawyers confused? This information is different from the court order from the Superior Court in 2021. So, Karen and Thompson, okay, of Hicks Morley Law, sent this to me. Okay, attachments. It says here, May 2nd, 2022. Please see the attached correspondence from Miss Amy Tibble, together with enclosure, both of which are hereby served upon you pursuant of the rules of civil procedure. All right. So the letter for payment, and that's the letter. Ordered by Justice Dennison. Okay. There was no mention of MANULIFE Insurance within this letter. That's okay, since the court ordered that they should receive $500. Okay. So here it's telling me that I should pay $15,000. 2,000, 13,000. Okay. And MANULIFE I should pay MANULIFE $500, but it was not mentioned. Okay. So you needed $15,000 from me.